Okay, now just to press enter one more time over here and then over here. Oh, it's not working. I'll press backspace one. Ah, that's better. Great, I've got all my cats ready, and now for the final cat in the next page. Hey, why isn't it working? I can't get my cursor here and press enter so I can find a new page. Now, if you're trying to load a new page and you don't want any fuss, here's what you do. Go to Insert, and then go to Page Break. Bam, you've got the page break. Or you can press Control Enter. Now, if you're interested in knowing how to do this properly, hang around and I'll show you how. First of all, in each of the pictures that you do in Word, as a side note, there's a little icon here if you're using the latest version of Word. And you'll be able to see that you can access all these different features. I'm not going to go into too much detail because this video is not about this, but most of the time I would like to do this feature in front of text. And then that way what will happen is you can then move your picture around however you like. So I accidentally pressed a 5 actually. That's quite fortuitous because now I can just do some example typing. Cats are awesome. And then you can just go like this. Same thing here. Can put it in front. And then you can actually just drag your cats or your pictures wherever you want. Now, let's say I've got my page break and now I can paste my cat down, which is this guy. But I want this page to be landscape because I want him to be really imposing. Well, I can obviously turn him around like this, but that would be really annoying to do because then when it prints out, it won't print in landscape. And sometimes you just want to print in landscape. Say for example, you've got some Excel stuff that you want to paste in here and it looks sideways, or it's an A3 sheet. So what you do is you go to Layout, and then you go to Breaks, and then you create a section break. If you go to this page here and say section break, so Layout, section break, and the next page, this entire page will now be a different section to your first document. So if I say orientation and then change to landscape, now only one part of my document goes to landscape. And this part stays the same. So as you can see here, I can actually make them separate by creating a section break. Now you can be the master of your document. Okay, let's go back here. So I'm going to make this cat picture in front of the text. I'm going to make it very imposing like this. And there you go. A little tip on the page break and section breaks of Word.